So guys, I'm here to be part of Rc-Xtreme, the gravel pit, with a Traxxas Sledge using an M2C Racing conversion kit, the Jackhammr, which turns this already good car into a big basher monster. So I've been shoveling here for approximately 400 years with a snow one, and that's not no good. So at least I got a little kick up and see if we can do something better, or in the same range. So I'm just gonna go practice. You know what they say? You know what they say. Okay, so I'm gonna try my best there. That was a lot longer than the last one. See if we can. It's gonna be fast forward on the actual video later. I'll park it over there like last time. And I'm gonna go for a quickie walkie. I wish I had the right tools so I could do some serious kick or a low ramp. My ramp is totally demolished. More, so the plan is to build a new one. Not gonna happen this season. At least that's what I'm thinking of. The problem with this abyss jump when you're doing, for example, backflip, it is so extremely hard to tell the depth of the actual jump. So I could probably do quad or even more.
The body had seen its best days. Straight as an effing arrow, guys. Well, we are on it, so why not continue? Stay tuned.
Okay. So I'm gonna go for a backflip. Or at least not on purpose, so. Close one again. Well, I've already seen that, so stay tuned.
Well, it looks all good. I'm not gonna take off the body. Chassis is still intact, so stay tuned for the next one.
Yep. Time for the final jump today. So far, super pleased. We'd love to get some real distance, but it's hard with this small pickup. But I'm gonna do my best here. Okay. You know. What a car. Whoa. Yep, I'm done, guys. Super pleased. Gonna continue filming. I'd say the whole concept, the whole car, the conversion kit. I already jumped with my regular one over here, but I'm super pleased with this one, and it's just amazing to drive, and it flies really well. See if we can get my other shovel from for my storage and do some serious. Okay, so we're gonna look at it just to show you guys. Check this body out. It's so torn out. Okay. Maybe it has, yeah, so lifos in there. The front chassis brace seems all good. The rear one, no issue at all. The things sounds like I'm having some issue with my fan, as you can hear. They take one hell of abuse, sorry for that word, but and I'm not running, no, I'm not running a, you can run a carbon fiber, the actual lost the word,
underneath it, and it will protect it even more for the hard slap. So I'm not surprised, mostly surprised that it keep going so long time, these views. Chassis is straight, everything is intact. Yep. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. So guys, I'm just gonna do a super quick breakdown here. Traxxas Sledge with the M2C Racing conversion kit, Jackhammr. It's basically a 1/7 scale ultra basher. Chassis 775 T6. You have the top brace, you have the towers, you have the body posts, ZRS shock caps with the O-ring pistons, ESC plate, diff outdrives front and rear, beefier center shafts, beefier rear dog bones, outer hinge pins, or whatever you call it. Running, it's 900 on all four corners with the hardest spring from Traxxas. Made a huge improvement. 80k in the front, 180 or 200 in mid, and I think I'm around 10 or 30k in the rear diff. 4985 max 6. As you can see, you have so much room in this car, and it doesn't matter if you flip it and running a forward mount. So I'm super pleased with this one. So you all have a nice day. Stay tuned. Bye bye.